Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal to Kofi. So once you sign up for Kofi, guys, one of the first thing that you will see once you are setting up your profile is how do you want to connect, and this could be either with Stripe or PayPal. And you can go ahead and you can sign into your PayPal account directly from there. But just in case you didn't do it at that time, you will be able to do this two easy ways. One is once you're in your account and you're at home, you will see that it says connect to payments is one of the options that will be there for you to fulfill, right? Now, the other way you can find this, if you go to settings, you will have three tabs: profile, payments, and pages. And if you go there, you will see it says PayPal or Stripe. So whichever option you choose, just go ahead and click on connect, and you'll be able to go ahead and log in or sign into your PayPal account. So it will first detect your email address, and if that's the one associated with your PayPal account, just go ahead and proceed. If not, just simply remove the email address there and enter the correct one. Choose your country, right? So if it's different, you can go ahead and you change that. Then go ahead and click and continue. It will take you right over to PayPal, where you need to go ahead and simply enter those credentials for your PayPal account. So you want to go ahead and enter that PayPal credentials, and once you go ahead and enter that login, you'll just need to click on login. It's going to go ahead and sign in. You can choose if you want to receive a text message or use the app if you have the mobile app. I'm going to simply use the mobile app as an example to use to, like, say, to verify. And all I'm going to do now is just simply find the PayPal application on my phone, and once I open up that app, I will be able to confirm it. So that's the first thing. It will say thank you for confirming, you're all set. And then you will see the same thing on my screen as well, where it's basically confirmed that PayPal is actually set up. And that's it. So you want to go ahead and choose that it's a personal account or business. In this case, I'm going to choose connect to personal account, and just go ahead and click on next. Then it's going to say return to Kofi, and you will see once it returns, the PayPal is connected, and it will also show the details of the PayPal account. Right, for the purpose of security, I'm gonna simple, let's say, not show that email address of my PayPal account, but you will see, as you can see here towards the right hand side, it's connected. And that's it. That's how to go ahead and connect PayPal to Kofi.